If your backup plan for GPS is just hope for the best, you're flying blind. Let's talk about a new way to never lose your way. Modern aircraft rely on GPS, but signals can be jammed, spoofed, or lost. That's why Airbus AccuBed and Sandbox AQ created MagNav, a quantum-powered navigation system using the Earth's natural magnetic field. Here's how it works. MagNav's compact quantum sensor reads the Earth's magnetic fingerprints. Unique patterns in the crust then matches your position against a magnetic atlas. It's powered by a quantum magnetometer so sensitive it can detect the tiniest variations in magnetism. AI fuses this data with inertial sensors, correcting your position in real time. No satellites needed. In flight tests, MagNav nailed position accuracy within 2 nautical miles, and in many cases, under 550 meters, all without GPS. That means resilient GPS-proof navigation for military commercial underwater autonomous vehicles. Bottom line, MagNav is turning quantum tech into real-world aviation safety, so you're never left flying blind.